Hey, take a walk with us around 11508 Smokethorn Drive. And hey, that's just a cool name, you have to admit it. But sorry for the cloudy day. I think you'll find the outside just beautiful even with no sun. As we walk through this property together, just imagine yourself living here and enjoying this piece of natural Florida. We have a beautiful screen-in porch, great shape, great condition, freshly painted exterior, tons of landscaping. Some of this will be going with the homeowner, but things like the little koi pond, those will stay here. So we go inside the property. We have a dining room to our right, some partially vaulted ceilings, and more vaulted ceilings in the living room. To the left, we have our kitchen with a little eat-in nook. A lot of space, a lot of natural light. We're going to look at the Jack and Jill bedrooms now. This one's being used as an office currently, but you can kind of get an idea of the space. And we have our other bedroom over here. As you can see from this bathroom, everything's been pretty meticulously cleaned and maintained, ready for move-in. One other thing to note that I think is pretty important is that this property did not experience any flooding or hurricane damage last year from Hurricanes Helene and Milton, which, yeah, this is Flood Zone X, so not super surprising, but there were a lot of properties last year in Flood Zone X that did experience damage or flooding. Now, anyway, here we have the primary or master bathroom, and you can see once again it's clean, it's maintained very, very well. It's in great shape. We have our master or primary suite. We have a walk-in closet. And I want to make note, if you've already walked the property, you know this, but all of these windows, they're very expensive. They're hurricane impact windows. Very nice, solid windows. And the slider, these things are expensive. Same material, same quality. Let's go over to the garage, because I want to show you that it is partially converted into a flex space. So you can use this as a fourth bedroom, an office, really many things. So this area here that you're seeing is cooled. There's an air duct coming down from the ceiling right there. It can be sealed up. It can be deconverted very easily though, if that is what you want. If you want it back to a garage, as you can see, here's a little closet with the water heater and the laundry. You can turn this back into a garage pretty easily, but here is, no, that's the wall, but here, back behind this door, I'll show you the rest of the garage. And, basically, you can store a motorcycle, you can store, a workshop, you can build whatever you want here. This door to the garage door does go up and down. But right now, it's primarily being used as storage. And it can be deconverted back to a regular garage. I just want to emphasize that many times in case you haven't noticed. But personally, I would take the inside space and use that as something else like an office or bonus room. This is my favorite place back here. It's not even part of the inside of the house. It's the back porch. Same quality, same style as the front porch. And let's not forget, this is why we're living in Florida. It is currently winter time, and we're out here in a screened-in porch with some subtropical vegetation, and we're enjoying beautiful 60-degree weather today. This house is partially fenced, and so the left and the right sides both, need about 20 feet each, roughly, of fencing if you'd like to turn this into a fully fenced backyard for pets or children, whatever it is. Oh yeah, one more thing I forgot to mention. This property is coming with a brand new roof, so get it while you can.